Are you still coming to this cafe?
This was Emily's favorite cafe, so I like it too.
Emily has left us. Do you still miss her?
I'll never forget Emily, but why are you here today?
Oh, there's something you don't know. Before Emily started dating you, we used to come here every weekend morning.
Oh, is that so?
Yes. After she started dating you, we met less often.
It sounds like I took her away from you. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. I'm glad Emily found someone she loves, but I regret.
I regret that terrible thing happened, taking Emily away from us.
Yes, it was horrible. Almost a year has passed, and I'm still haunted by it.
Layla, actually, it's your fault.
My fault? What are you talking about?
Don't pretend anymore. I know everything.
I really don't understand what you're saying. Why is Emily's death my fault?
It wasn't an accident that Emily suddenly ran into the street in the rain and was hit by that car.
Isn't it just an accident? I wasn't even there, so why is it my fault?
Emily knew everything about you, Layla.
Everything about me?
Yes.
Please don't play games with me. Just tell me what happened.
Layla, pay close attention. Emily knew you loved her.
What are you saying?
I said Emily knew you loved her.
Oh, you're saying I love Emily? That's funny.
You thought I didn't know, huh? All this time, you've secretly loved Emily.
I secretly loved Emily?
Yes, you secretly loved Emily.
All right, tell me. How can you conclude that?
Did you forget that Emily's house has cameras?
I know that.
And she saw you kissing her while she was asleep.
Oh, that can't be.
I don't want to believe it, but it's the truth. She checked the camera footage and she saw you kissing her while she was asleep.
Oh no.
She was very shocked.
And then what? Why did she run into the street in the pouring rain?
All right, I'll tell you everything.
I'm eager to hear. Please tell me now.
That day, Emily and I had a lunch date. While waiting for me, Emily checked the security cameras at home.
Why would she suddenly want to check the security cameras at home?
She just wanted to see what her cat had been doing while she was out.
Oh, and then…
Do you remember? On your birthday, she was very drunk and fell asleep on the sofa.
And I took her home because you were away on a business trip and couldn't join us. That night, I slept in Emily's bed and she slept on the sofa.
Yes, you woke up in the middle of the night and went to the kitchen for a drink. You saw her sleeping there and suddenly kissed her.
Oh, so Emily knew everything.
Yes, She was very shocked and called me to tell me everything.
Oh no, she must have hated me.
No, Layla, she didn't hate you. On the contrary, she was worried about you.
Emily was worried about me?
Yes, we've been friends for over 10 years, haven't we?
Yes.
She was worried and felt guilty towards you because she didn't realize your feelings for her before. She was afraid that when you saw Emily and me together, it would hurt you.
Oh, our little Emily.
She called me and told me everything. Then she cancelled our lunch date and went to find you, but it was raining heavily and she didn't see the car coming.
Oh no, it's all my fault. This terrible thing happened because of me. Stupid Emily. Why did she run out to find me in such heavy rain?
Emily was so kind. She only cared about other people's feelings, not her own.
Why did you tell me this now?
Actually, I wanted to hide it from you forever, but when I saw you here today, I couldn't control myself.
What can I do to make up for my mistake?
Sigh. Actually, it's not your fault. Maybe it's fate. There's nothing wrong with loving someone. I think Emily is in a peaceful place, and she wants to see you happy.
I hope Emily will forgive me.
She's not angry with you.
In fact, if you had picked Emily up earlier that day, this tragedy wouldn't have happened.
Now blaming each other won't do any good. She's left us.
Yes, Emily is gone. Christmas this year won't be the same without her.